Hey guys, what's going on? It's Martin. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Preparation H Rapid Relief with Lidocaine Hemorrhoidal Cream. If you are searching for a Preparation H ointment or cream, there are quite a few of them. You've got the cooling gel, you've got the original ointment, you've got the maximum strength, you've got the Rapid Relief with Lidocaine. So which one should you pick? I'm going to help you today. We'll discuss this one in detail, and then I'll also suggest the other Preparation H cream that I think is definitely better than this one. So this one is focused more on rapid relief, and it's got the lidocaine here, which is why it's actually priced at $13.87, which is much more expensive than the other Preparation H ointments or creams. This ingredient, lidocaine, is very expensive. So if we jump right in here, we will take a look at the active ingredients. The active ingredients in the Rapid Relief with Lidocaine is the glycerin and the lidocaine. The lidocaine is the local anesthetic. Basically what it does is it numbs the hemorrhoid, stops you from feeling pain. The glycerin is a protectant. So if we come back and take a look at this one, this is the Preparation H maximum strength pain relief cream. Now, taking a look at the active ingredients in this one, it has the glycerin, it has a different local anesthetic. Instead of lidocaine, it has Pramoxine. So it still is an anesthetic, it still numbs the area, but as you can see, this one also has phenylephrine, which is a vasoconstrictor, which works to reduce the swelling and irritation. And it also has White Petrolatum, which is another protectant. So if you get this one instead, you get the local anesthetic, you get the protectant and the glycerin, but you're also getting the phenylephrine, which is very important, the vasoconstrictor, and the White Petrolatum, which is a protectant. So if I was going to get a Preparation H cream, instead of the Rapid Relief with Lidocaine, I would get this one, the Multi-Symptom Relief. Coming back here. So this is a good product for pain, but it doesn't have the vasoconstrictor, and this one has a vasoconstrictor. So all in all, I would say definitely go with this one. It's a better product. Basically, this is the maximum strength pain relief with aloe. They both have aloe, but this one is, as you can see here, $13.87, whereas this one is $6.26. So you can see that not only is this a better cream, but it's also priced much lower. Now, if you are going to get a hemorrhoid cream or an ointment, I recommend pairing it up with a hemorrhoid supplement like Hemorrhoid Plus. Hemorrhoid Plus is a really good product. It's got a lot of good ingredients like witch hazel, which is an astringent. It's got bilberry, horse chestnut, butcher's broom, vitamin C, scientifically formulated. Great hemorrhoids product. It's called Hemorrhoid Plus. You can get this on Amazon as well. So take a look at that when you're getting the Preparation H Maximum Strength Pain Relief Cream. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, hit me up below. I am more than happy to answer those. Have a good one.